Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to my channel about self-development. Today we are going to discuss how to get better every day using the wisdom of the Stoics. In today's world, we are often faced with addictions and habits that hinder our growth. But through the philosophy of the Stoics, we can learn how to overcome these obstacles and reach new heights. The Stoics taught us to live in harmony with ourselves and the world, to develop self-discipline, and to find happiness in simple things. In this video, we'll break down 5 key principles that will help you get better every day. Part 1, the power of daily reflection. The first principle of the Stoics is the practice of daily reflection. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor, and one of the greatest Stoics, wrote regularly in his journal, reflecting on the day he lived and his actions. He asked himself the questions, what have I done well? Where can I improve? Real-life examples and working tips. At the end of each day, take 10 to 15 minutes to write down your thoughts about what happened. This can be positive things or things you would like to change. Start a diary where you write down your successes and failures. This will help you better understand your actions and emotions. Use the 3 things technique to note each night 3 accomplishments of the day, 3 things to be grateful for, and 3 improvements for the future. Part 2, the skill of letting go of unnecessary things. The second principle is the skill of letting go of what is not useful. Epictetus said, there are things that depend on us, and there are things that do not depend on us. It's important to be able to distinguish between these things and not waste energy on things that are beyond our control. Real-life examples and working tips. Make a list of things that bother you and divide them into 2 categories, those you can change and those you can't. Focus on the first category. Practice meditation to learn how to let go of unnecessary thoughts and emotions. Start with 5 to 10 minutes a day. Use the visualization method. Imagine letting go of anything unnecessary and feeling lighter and freer. Part 3, developing resilience and self-control. The third principle of the Stoics is to develop resilience and self-control. Seneca taught that resilience in the face of adversity makes us stronger. It is important not to give in to impulses and to be able to control your emotions. Real-life examples and working tips. Develop an action plan for difficult situations. Think in advance about how you will respond to stress or conflict. Practice breathing and meditation techniques to manage stress. For example, deep breathing helps calm nerves and focus. Set rules for yourself and follow them. For example, limit your time on social media or set a goal to avoid certain foods. Part 4, the importance of environment and support. The fourth principle is environment and support. The Stoics believed in the power of community and the importance of surrounding yourself with people who support your aspirations. Seneca said, "A man should not live for himself, but for the community." Real-life examples and working tips. Find like-minded people who will support your goals and help you grow. This can be friends, co-workers, or online communities. Try to spend more time with positive and motivated people. Their energy will inspire you. Organize a support group or find a mentor to help you on your self-development journey. Part 5, practice gratitude and humility. The 5th principle of the Stoics is to practice gratitude and humility. Marcus Aurelius taught to appreciate what we have and to be humble in our desires. This helps us find joy in simple things and avoid unnecessary anxiety. Real-life examples and working tips. Start keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. Practice minimalism, get rid of unnecessary things, and focus on what really matters. Learn to find joy in simple things, a walk in nature, communication with loved ones, a favorite hobby. Your conclusion. Here we have come to the end of our video. Today we learned how to become better every day using the wisdom of the Stoics. Remember that the most important thing is your determination and consistency. Don't give up in the face of challenges and believe in yourself. Apply these principles every day and you are sure to achieve success and inner peace. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, and share your successes in the comments. See you soon.